or the higher the value, the powerful it is. Alright? What is the next? After the rook, same points for bishop and knight. Then, after bishop and knight, oh, that's the hierarchy. Okay? It is the most powerful, powered by the rook, bishop, knight, and pawn. Alright? Now, you know the value of each pieces. Now, you can identify it. And, Achilles, very good. And we are done with our class. Before we end, I would like to ask you, what are the things that you learned something today? What are the things that you learned?
About B5, C4.
Okay? Now you learned about the names of squares. Okay, aside from that, names of squares.
Squares.
What are the things that you learned aside from it?
The way the pieces move.
Yeah, movement of the pieces, arrangement of the board, arrangement of the pieces, right? And then the value of your pieces or the points of each piece. Alam mo na kung sino yung malakas at sino yung mahina. Kaya Achilles, congratulations to our class. And we are done on it. May I speak to your mom or dad?